Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin's bull market support level and what do we need to do right now. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, 7 days free trial on Patreon/MindYourCrypto on the third tier. Join us right now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So Bitcoin against USDT. Okay, and we are at the 26,462 right now. Into the daily frame, we had a nice green candlestick and that was pretty good. Right now, we are going to stick into the weekly frame, and this is where I want to focus right now on this video. Right here, you can see that this is the 200-day moving average. Not only that, but we have the 50-day EMA and the 20-day exponential moving average. This whole area right here, okay, I'm going to just focus on this whole area, is the bull market on the weekly frame. What it means, it is that it ranges from the 25.7k and goes up to the 26.3k. Now, I've told you that right here you can see something that it is happening and it is quite clear, right? We are going to draw the fib from the bottom to the top. We are going on the logarithmic scale and you're going to see that we are having a very nice pump right here at the 200-day moving average. And not only that, but the 200-day moving average is going to meet the pivot point. Now, whenever this happens, we either have a very huge bull price action to the upside, and that would indicate that Bitcoin would be able to go all the way up to test the 31 to 32,000 Tether USD. Imagine that. I'm expecting BTC to go up all the way to the 32,000 to 33,000, in which there we will meet a very important resistance level. At this point, I would like to remind you that we are going down, but we do not have any huge crash. Okay, we have no price action at all. We have a little bit of an apathy. Okay, we are seeing that we do not have any huge price action or any bull movement. And to be honest with you, I think that after what is going on into the lower time frames, I think that we are going to see something better. But at the end of the day, right now, we do not have a breakout in the lower time frames. Okay, we do not have the in the 4-hour frame, for example, the price riding the 20-day exponential moving average, the 50-day EMA, and so on. So in the lower time frames, we do not have the breakout. But at the end of the day, what we need to do right now, it is to focus more into the weekly, because if you focus more into the lower time frames, you're going to lose your mind. Okay, you're going to think that Bitcoin is going down. You're going to have a total impatience number, right, of 100 to 100%. And I mean that because if you focus in the lower time frames, you will get disappointed. But at the end of the day, it is not like Bitcoin is bearish at all. We do not have into the higher time frames any huge bearish movement. Okay, right now, something that would be bearish in the weekly frame is the 50-day EMA crossing down the red line, crossing down this yellow line right here. If this happens, it would be because Bitcoin is going to fall down from the 200-day moving average and it is going to meet the lows of the 25.5k. All right, so I want you please to pay attention on that, because we have, of course, the EMAs and the moving averages as major support levels right now. But if we had the bearish cross right here, this would be a little bit bad. You can see right now that, for example, when we were back into this huge bullish movement, we didn't have any bearish cross at all. Okay, the bullish cross happened right here, starting on Monday, 11 May 2020, where May was a little bit of a sideways action. If you look at that, for example, May, June, and July, we had a sideways price action until on July, we finally had something starting, had something going on. Right here, you will see that we are facing some similar problems, and we need for sure to hold, first of all, the 200-day moving average, which is now almost exactly at our pivot point. And secondly, if we go far down, we would like to hold the 25.7k. Now, if Bitcoin does something hugely bearish and goes down to the 24K and so on, then things are going to look bad for the next weeks and for the next 1 to 2 months, maybe consolidating until we see the crazy bullish action again. But right now, we have nothing to be scared of. Okay, right now, we are not talking about that Bitcoin is bearish. We are talking about that Bitcoin is bullish in the higher time frames, and we just have some major movement going on. This is why we have this apathy. We bulls and bears are waiting for something right here to happen, are waiting for Bitcoin to see how it is going to react, because right here we are into major support levels, not only in the daily frame, but in the weekly frame, which is the most important frame into the Bitcoin's chart. And this indicates the next major movements for the next weeks to the next few months. Okay, so we are looking at the mid to long term right here. And this is what we would like to see. We would like to see from Bitcoin that we are holding, we are strong, we are holding, and the good monthly close will be to go and close above the 26.3K. The monthly close, as you can see right now, we have 5 days and 15 hours to see the monthly close right now. And to be honest with you, it would be the best if we could close above the 26.3K. If we could not, then this could be a little bit bad. I'm going to explain right now. This is why trading right now is hard. And this is why right here you should be a little bit cautious, because it could be the case that Bitcoin has a very bullish major movement, but if we lose the 26.3K, something bad is going to happen. And especially if we lose the 25.7K, then things are going to turn pretty bad at the same time. So we are waiting for the bulls or the bears to decide. This is a huge battle. We are into the Bitcoin's bull support level right here, bull market support level. We are above it. Okay, so that's why I am pretty certain that right now we have entered the bull cycle. Not only that, but Bitcoin has similar movements to when it happens that we have a breakout into a bull cycle. No matter if it was here, for example, you can see that we had a crazy correction and then we started again. Maybe another fake out could be the case, but I do not think we will have anything similar like back then on the pandemic, because right there, this was a very specific occasion that happened, and I do not think that we will have something similar. But a correction, normal correction to the lows, for example, of the 23.8K could be the case, right? I'm not excluding this fact. However, for the time being, we have to pay attention. And in the regular scale, we have seen that we got rejected from the 27.3K, which was the bull market support level into the regular scale, but I'm trusting more the logarithmic scale, to be honest with you. So that's why I'm staying right here. I'm seeing the 200-day moving average. I'm seeing all these major support levels, and I want to say that you need to have some patience. And of course, do not forget to join our monthly subscription Patreon /MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. See you soon. Bye.